Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now, in today's session, we will be answering questions 86 to question 90 from the Jamb English 2013 past question. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now for questions 86 to 88. For questions 86 to 88, there is an instruction. In each of the questions 86 to 88, choose the option that has the same sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. In each of the questions 86 to 88, choose the option that has the same sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. Choose the option that has the same sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. So every letter that is underlined in each of these questions has a sound. So we have to select the option that has that same sound. Question 86. The word we have is glacier. Now, glacier should be spelled G-L-A-C-I-E-R, not G-L-A-S-I-E-R. It should be spelled G-L-A-C-I-E-R. So we are to select the option that has the same sound as the letter A in the word glacier. Option A, we have fame. Option B, we have glass. Option C, we have gleam. Option D, we have flat. So which of these options has the same sound as the letter A in glacier? Now, in the word glacier, glacier is transcribed as shown on the screen. Glacier is transcribed as shown on the screen. The letter A, when we have the letter A in glacier, the sound we have here is the A. Glacier, A, glacier. Now, the option that has the same sound is option A, fame. When you look at the word fame, in the transcription of fame, we also have the sound A, which is present in the place we have letter A in the word glacier. A, glacier, fame. So the answer to this question is option A. Glacier and fame have the same sound, the A. It is not glass. Glass is transcribed as shown on the screen. It is not gleam. Gleam is transcribed as shown on the screen. It is not flat. Flat is transcribed as shown on the screen. The answer is option A, glacier. In glacier, where we have the letter A, the sound there is the diphthong A. A, and it is found in fame as well. So the answer to this question is option A. Alright, moving on, question 87. Remember, we are to select the option that has the same sound as the letters underlined in the given word. Question 87, the word we have is Lord. Lord. Letter AU is underlined. So we have to select the option that has the same sound. Here we have the AU in the word Lord. Option A, we have lathe. Option B, we have core. Option C, we have lavatory. Option D, we have loud. So which of these options has the same sound where we have the letter A in Lord? Now, Lord is transcribed as shown on the screen. Where we have the AU in Lord, we have the sound O, Lord. Now option A, lathe. Lathe is transcribed as shown on the screen. The answer to this question is option B, core. Core is transcribed as shown on the screen. Now, in Lord and core, we have the sound O. Look at the screen, the transcription of Lord and core, we have the same sound O. Now, it is not option C, lavatory. Lavatory is transcribed as shown on the screen. It is not option D, loud. Loud is transcribed as shown on the screen. Now, in Lord, the underlined letters AU are pronounced as O, which is also found in core. So when you look at the transcriptions of Lord and core, we have the same O. The or sound. So the answer to this question is option B. Lord, call, they have the same sound. Alright, moving on, question 88. Remember, we are to select the option that has the same sound as the letters underlined in the given word. Question 88. The word we have is comma. The letter O is underlined. So we are to select the option that has the same sound present where we have the letter O in comma. Option A we have come. Option B we have comma. Option C we have kernel. Option D we have cogent. So which of these options has the same sound where we have the letter O in comma? Now, comma is transcribed as shown on the screen. Comma is transcribed as shown on the screen. Where we have the letter O in the word comma, it is transcribed or it is pronounced as O. O. The sound where we have in the letter O in comma is pronounced as O. Comma. Now, it is not option A, come. Come is transcribed as shown on the screen. It is not option B, comma. Comma is transcribed as shown on the screen. It is not option C, kernel. Kernel is transcribed as shown on the screen. The answer is option D, cogent. Cogent. Cogent is transcribed as shown on the screen. Now, looking at the transcriptions of comma and cogent, we have the sound O. Comma, cogent. So where we have the letter O in comma, we have the sound O. So in comma, the underlined letter O is pronounced as O, which is also found in the letter O in the word cogent when transcribed. So looking at the screen, comma and cogent, they have the same diphthong sound O. So the answer to this question is option D. Comma and cogent. The letter O in comma is also found in or cogent, the same sound O. Alright, moving on, question 89. Now for questions 89 to 91, there is an instruction. For questions 89 to 91, there is an instruction. The instruction reads, in each of the questions 89 to 91, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters on the line. In each of the questions 89 to 91, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters on the line. Question 89, what we have is lose. Lose. We have the letter S on the line. So we are to select the option that has the same consonant sound, not letter, not alphabet, the same consonant sound where we have the underlined word, lose. Option A, noise. Option B, horse. Option C, mouse. Option D, nurse. So which of these options has the same consonant sound found where we have the letter S in the word lose? Now, the word lose is transcribed as shown on the screen. Where we have SE. SE in lose, the sound we have here is Z, pronounced lose. The sound here is Z, not loose. It is lose. Z. So the answer is option A, noise. When you transcribe noise, you have the sound Z. Where you have SE in the spelling of noise, the pronunciation of that SE is Z, noise, which is also found in lose. It is not earth. Earth is transcribed as shown on the screen. The sound we have in earth is S. It is not mouse. Mouse is transcribed as shown on the screen. The sound we have in mouse is S. It is not nurse. Nurse is transcribed as shown on the screen. The sound we have is S. It is in lose. The underlined SE is pronounced as Z, lose. And it is also found in noise, where we have SC, which is also pronounced as Z, lose, noise. They both have the Z. So the answer to this question is option A. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 90. Remember, we are to select the option that has the same consonant sound as the underlined letter in the given word. Question 90, the word we have is guitar. Guitar. The underlined letter here is the letter G. So we are to select the option that has the same sound. Where we have letter G in guitar. Option A, George. Option B, rogue. Option C, jam. Option D, strange. So which of these options has the same sound present where we have letter G in the word guitar? What sound do we have where we have letter G in guitar? Now, guitar is transcribed as shown on the screen. Where we have letter G in guitar, the sound we have there is G. Guitar, G. Guitar, G. Now, in George, George is transcribed as shown on the screen. We do not have the G. What we have in George is J. J, not G. The answer is option B, rogue. Rogue is transcribed as shown on the screen. We have the sound G, rogue. G, rogue. G. Guitar, G, rogue. G. It is not option C, jam. Jam is transcribed as shown on the screen. Now, the sound we have in jam is J. It is not option D, strange. Strange is transcribed as shown on the screen. Strange. The sound we have in strange is J. J. So the letter G in guitar is pronounced as G. Guitar, G. And the same letter G is found in rogue, which is pronounced as G. Rogue. Guitar, G. Rogue, G. So the answer to this question is option B. The sound where we have letter G in guitar is pronounced as G. The sound here is G. That same sound is found in rogue. G. Rogue, G. We are not looking at the letter, we are looking at the sound. So the answer is option B. Right. And with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.